This is kayak nakawan perlis. Breathtaking getaway and great outdoor activity to explore the beautiful site of Perlis. Highly recommended activity to look forward. The team are very attentive and sportive. The activity is suitable for all age and all beginners to learn how to kayak. I'm not going to drop. The route started from Tebing Tinggi through the tunnel to Kampung Wai, longest water tunnel in Malaysia, 765 meters long. It's advisable to go in the tunnel with the group to ensure enough lighting. If you are afraid of the dark, the scenery is unbelievable. You have to be there to experience it to the full. A trip will take roughly 40 to 45 minutes. Once you reach the end, you can enjoy your swim the stunning lake with enjoying the canyon view. Oh, yang ini kenapa punya saya tak hidup? Oh.
Only here because the people were feeding them.
What?
Because the people were feeding them, that's why they're...
Okay, sikit.
Cepat sikit.
Oh, dia panggil anak dia. Sakit betul. Leader man, leader. Sweeper senyap, sweeper bunyi sikit sweeper.
Sweeper tak kelakar. Rasanya saya tinggal my phone dekat boot.
Oh, dekat ni, okey.
Beautiful. And another 40 to 45 minute eating trip. Overall, you can expect to finish everything off by noon before the hot scorching hot sun above your head. Rare experience with a crystal clear water and Grand Canyon feeling. The price is affordable for the experience combo with the Great Kayak Nakawan team. Good job!